Today is day 11 of working on this Paulk Smart MFT adapter so we can make these MFT tops. I thought it was gonna be a lot easier. I keep getting close and then it doesn't work. Tomorrow, day 12, I think I'm almost there. I started completely over. I've got it all dialed in. I have been using TSO tools heavily to get to the accuracy that I needed. And as I'm wrapping up today, tomorrow begins TSO's Easter Sale, 10% off everything that's TSO. I'll put a link, it's an affiliate link down below. If you use that, they'll share a little bit with us, but you'll still get your discount. So if you gotta have TSO if you're gonna run rails and have an efficient shop. So take advantage of it. Today is